Divide 187 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 7 and it is 37. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no other number to put it down, so we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 187 divided by 5 is 37 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.